Do you want to see how you could make yourself one of these bags in about 15 to 20 minutes? Stick around, I'll show you. You'll need 2 pieces of fabric for the outside, 2 for the inside, 2 straps, they could be out of either or, and then 2 pieces of fusible fleece. First thing you'll do is attach that fusible fleece to the back side of the main fabric. Make sure your fusible fleece is a little smaller. This will just make it so it doesn't create too much bulk. Now that that is on there, I'm going to take one of the lining pieces and I'm going to line that up, and then I'm going to sew all the way around. So then I trimmed it with my pinking shears to create less bulk. So then on the bottom of the main fabric, I put a little slit, and that is so, but I didn't go through the other side, just the main fabric, so that I can turn this right side out. Okay, so I did that with both of them. Now I took a ruler and I folded this in half, and then I used a disappearing ink to get the center line. And then I took my ruler and I measured up so that this was up 6 1/4. So from here down, that's 6 1/4 inches. I did that on both sides. Now I have the hole where I turn them both at the bottom. I'm going to flip this over. Make sure that that's right there at the bottom, and then I'm going to put this one right on top. The hole there, holes here. Now I am going to sew right along here. So now it looks like that. I'm going to flatten this down and iron it. Now I'm going to sew right around here. So now we're going to need another line like this, but on this side. So how we're going to do that is by sticking 2 pins, one on each side, and then flipping this over, and then just a little dot where each of those pins are. Line the ruler and just use a disappearing pen. So next you'll want to make the strap, and the way you're going to do that is that you're just going to take this, fold it in half, and then sew along here, and then use a turning tool to turn it right side out. Now you're going to measure in about 1 inch, and you're going to put a little line here. You'll do that here and here, and then you're going to do it again on this side and this side. So now you'll have your strap like this. You're going to line it up with the little line you drew, and you're going to just tuck this under and pin. Now I'm going to sew all along here and here. And now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So now you'll take it and you'll fold it like this, and you're going to sew from here down to here, here, down to here. And that is how you make this cute little bag.